So today I'm taking this cupboard out. This is the cupboard which is around the toilet there, and getting this door out of the way. So I've just taken it off with the drill. Then I'm going to try to remove this big chest of drawers. I'm going to get a modern kitchen unit that's built in. I found a kettle and some cups, plastic cups, and some camping chairs as well. They were underneath the dresser, and at the back there, behind the dresser, is the camping kitchen. I think I'm going to get rid of that. I think I'm going to go for the built-in kitchen. I'm just going to get this out now. Dresser off the wall, and at the back of the dresser, the wheel is boxed in there, and there's a bit of plywood. It's all properly insulated, and this these tiles are just vinyl as well, so they'll come off quite easily. So I'm just going to put this dresser outside now. So I've taken the dresser out now, and you can see there's quite a lot of space. It's about half of the van, sort of half bed, half living space. I need to take this down next. I need to work out what I'm doing, where I'm going to put this TV, or how I'm going to pull those wires up. I haven't figured that out yet. What do you think of camper? Is it nice? Yeah? Got your ball, got your dog seat belt. Mia, come on. Come on. Gonna go indoors. Mia, come on. She just wants to stay. She loves the purple fleecy seats. Come on, Mia. Mimi. I've had my camper van for 2 weeks now, and I've had a good clear out. I've taken down the kitchen that was here, and that cupboard with a toilet in it, TV, all that's come out. So I'm leaving these little cupboards up at the top here, and I can put doors on them. I think that would be for my clothes and toiletries. Over there, I think I need another seat. In the corner, I'm going to put the toilet, and then over on this side, which used to have a huge toilet cupboard, I'm going to have a pull-out fridge, which sort of pulls into the entranceway, and then a cupboard behind it with the sink and hob. So I think I've got my layout now. I've started painting it white. I've got the wood boarding, and I've got flooring. I'm just looking for kitchen cupboards and a fridge. Then I'm going to get started. And dogs are here, keeping me company. Here they are. Mia! Hello! And there's Poppy. Poppy, do you like camper? And there's Lola's having a sleep. So after 2 weeks, I've completely gutted the camper van and got where I wanted to be. There's Mia. She's sitting in the front seat. She's desperate to go on a trip. Just desperate. She always wants to come and sit out here, see what's going on. So in the back, I've started painting this. I'm going to paint everything white. So I'm going to keep these cushions and just put a blanket over them. Dogs will probably be sitting on here. That wall's going to be cladded with pine. That's where the kitchen used to be. I tried out that dark blue paint, didn't like it, and I went for the white. I'm going to keep those little cupboards there, put doors on them. Toilet fits in there, so I'm just going to build a bench there, and so the toilet's built in. And this side looks quite tidy. This is where the built-in toilet used to be, and it looks quite big now. So that's going to be the kitchen. I think I have to take that little white cupboard out there. And I have to get curtains, and I have to buy the fridge and the sink and some kitchen cupboards, and start building really. So this camper van is 8 feet long, 6 feet wide. The bed is about half of that, once it's made into a bed. The other half is going to be another bench and a kitchen. The bench is going to include the toilet. So I'm not having a built-in cooker. Not having an oven or a microwave. Trying to keep my electric needs to a minimum. So I'm just going to have a fridge, a really small fridge, and I've got some electric lights. And I'm going to charge the laptop from the car battery, from the cigarette lighter thing, and charge my phone as well when I'm driving. As long as I turn my Wi-Fi off, the phone doesn't use much battery. So I'm going to try and keep electric needs to a minimum so I don't need solar panels. Try and be a minimalist, off-road, wild camper. We'll see how I get on.